This is break ID number 20. Free break 2016 Finest Baseball. One box random with random chance at bonuses, and there are 2 of those. This is our initial list, has not been randomized yet. Yes, Thomas, but you can see it in about an hour at our YouTube channel. So let's randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Ryan, break ID 20 was yesterday, I believe. Let me check. Nope. This is break 20. This is break 20. Yep. Okay. Here we go. Ryan, we switched it because there are more autographs in Finest. Hopefully that's a good thing. All right. A Cespedes, sorry. Refractor, insert to the Mets. I do know who he is. Whoops. A insert franchise finest refractor to the Cardinals. And the auto is a vet Omar Vizquel auto to 30. That's pretty nice, out of 30. Going to the Indians. That is Nathan S. Thomas, there was a lot of hits that came out of the select and Dwayne Wade autograph. Nice job on the Vizquel Cleveland, Nathan. Base refractor. The video for it will be up in about an hour at our YouTube channel. Marte out of 250. Purple. Surely we should be able to sell out the Triple Threads Super Break Football. There's only 7 spots left. We could do that right after these. Grab those 7 spots. Eric Hosmer, base refractor. Insert refractor. Stanton. And a Wade Davis auto to the Royals. Matt Harvey, insert refractor. Andrew Miller, base refractor. Felix Hernandez, insert refractor. Nolan Ryan, insert refractor. One of the Rangers. Will Myers, parallel refractor out of 150 to the Padres. Chris Sale, insert refractor. Corey Seager. Last pack. Cole Ham, looks like gold out of 50. Parallel refractor. Going to the Rangers. All right. We'll do the bonuses. All right, we'll get 2 winners out of this. That'll go into Friday's bonus breaks. So we'll random this 3 times, and we'll do that twice. One, 2, 3. Detroit Tigers. Mike K. And the second one, 1, 2, 3. Seattle Mariners, Jeff F. All right. Jeff F. and Mike K. I'll get those emails right out to you, and you'll know which ones of those you're in for Friday. And give me a second, we'll do the next one right away.